Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving this amazing geometry question that includes a variety of concepts like symmetry, circles, chords, and perpendicular lines. Let's begin. We have a circle. First we draw this chord of length 7, and after that we draw this line of length 8 from this point, which is perpendicular to this chord, followed by another line which is perpendicular to this one, and it is of length 6.
Now, how can we use these details to find the radius of this circle?
Can you solve it? Give it a try. Once you are done, come back to verify your answer. Let us start by marking the center of this circle. Now, in a circle, the line segment from the center that is perpendicular to a chord will also bisect the chord. This means that the perpendicular line from the center of a circle to its chord divides it into two equal segments. This is called the chord bisector theorem. Now let's draw this diameter and then draw this rectangle whose side lengths are 7 and 8, just like this. Now draw this line which is perpendicular to this side of the rectangle. What do you think its length will be, since this diameter will be the perpendicular bisector of this chord? And if these are 7 divided 2, so both of them will also be 7 divided 2 as well. And since both of these lengths are the same, therefore this segment will also be of length 6. That's great.
Now draw this line and label it as x.
We will use another theorem called the intersecting chords theorem. This is one chord of the circle, and here is another chord of the circle. So by intersecting chords theorem, this length, which is 8 times this length, which is x, will be the same as this length, which is 6 times this length, which is 7 plus 6, or 13. So x will be 9.75. Amazing! Now draw this line such that we get a right triangle here. What do you think this line will be? Yes, you got it right. It will be the diameter of this circle. This is because of Thales' theorem, which states that if you draw a triangle where one of its sides is the diameter of a circle, then the angle opposite that side is a right angle. So this hypotenuse will be 2 times the radius, r.
But according to the construction, this effective length is actually 17.75.
So this hypotenuse will be 2r, and this is 17.75, and this is 7. So we will now use Pythagoras' theorem such that, so we get 2r squared plus 7 squared equals 17.75 squared, which gives us 49 plus 315.05, which equals 364.06. Now, taking square root on both sides, we get 2r equals square root of 364.06, which equals 19.08. Hence, r will be 19.08 divided by 2, which gives 9.54. And that's it. The radius of this circle is about 9.54 units. And that's it. Wasn't this an interesting problem? Have you found so many theorems just in one video? Let me know in the comments below. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel Mathspire. Thanks for watching.